Alright, so when you come to your Google Cloud console, this is where you come down to. When you get into this point, on the left sidebar beside the Google Cloud console, you see a drop down that says My SMTP. Click on it. So these are the projects that I've created. So currently this is a new one. I just created the project now. So once that is done, once you've created it, you will get to this dashboard. On getting here, click on Enable APIs and Services. Click on Enable API and Services. Inside this search bar, search for Gmail API. Once you select the Gmail API, you click on it. So after clicking on it, you see this one that says View and Manage Gmail. You click on Enable. Click on Enable. So you wait for it to load. Alright, so once this load now, the next thing you're going to do is click on this sidebar. You see, to call this API for your own application, you will need to create credentials. On the right corner here, you see Create Credentials. Click on Create Credentials. And click on Create Credentials. You scroll down. You see this question that says, what data will you be processing? You're going to click on User Data. You click on User Data. You click on Next. So you're going to give your app a name and just say SMTP, and then the Gmail address you want to use with your account. I've already linked my own account to it, that's why it's showing taigoodness@gmail. If that is just done, you can just click on the Gmail address that you want and you type it inside. So that is my own Gmail address. If you want to upload your app logo, you can do that, but not necessary. Then under the developer contact address, you're going to put in your email, and I'm going to put in the email address with the one that I put up from the top. So this is my developer contact. After that, I'll click on Save and Continue. After I click on Save and Continue, I'll click on Done. Okay, sorry, you come down to the OAuth Client ID. Sorry about that. Under the OAuth Client ID, you're going to set the type of application. So you select Web Application. Then you give it a name. I'm going to use the default name. You can rename it to anything you want to use. Default name here. So you come to Authorize Redirect URL. You click on it. Inside your WP SMTP, there's going to be an authorized URL there. Let me see if my WordPress has good. Alright, so let me scroll down to where I have the WP SMTP. I'll come down here. Okay. So wait for it to load. So we get to copy the redirect URL and paste it there. Alright, so you can see the authorized redirect URL. I'm just recreating this process before. I've done it before. That's why you can see my client ID and secret ID. You just copy this URL from the authorized redirect URL here and you paste it here. So after that, you click on Create. Click on Create. Alright. Then you say, you can see this is your client ID, but hold on, don't copy it yet. Click on Done. So when this is done, the next thing is to make sure that our Gmail address is set to external, because by default Google set it to internal. So you come down to credentials here. I'm sorry, library rather. All right, so after that, you're on the left side bar here, you are going to click on library, or no, sorry, not library, on the OAuth consent screen. Click on it. Yeah, so you come to client on the left side bar, you click on client. Sorry, audience rather. Yeah, audience. You click on audience, you see publishing status. This, okay, we've been set to external, but you can see is in testing. We need to publish it, so click on publish app and confirm. Okay, I see production status is set to what? In production, and user type is set to what? External. All right, so once that is done, you can now go back to you can come down to client. Click on client here. Under action, under the OAuth 2.0 client ID, you see action here. The pencil icon that says the edit, click on it. All right, once you click on it, you see this. You can see this is the client secret. You can copy this. This is a client ID. You copy and you come down to your WordPress. Under the WP email, paste the you paste the client ID here, the client secret. You paste it here. Once you paste it, because I've already connected you can see that says connected as goodness. Once you paste it in, instead of you seeing remove auth connection, you are going to see authorize Gmail access. So you are going to click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be asked to sign in, put in your Gmail address and everything. After that, you will get to a page that says advance or something like a connection is lost. Yeah, don't panic. On the left side bar, you're going to see click on the advance, and then there's a link there. Click on it, and that is how the SMTP does. Once this is done correctly, you receive a test email directly inside the Gmail address that you imputed. After that, once you come down to your form in the WP mail mates, you can set up the phone and the newsletter. You'll be able to receive your email address. So test it and let me know how it goes. Thank you.